Hey, this is Jolene from Face Paint Forum Shop, and I'm going to show you how I make a unicorn horn. First, I start with two little pieces of silk clay, and I press them together, and then you roll it out. Everybody remembers how to roll out Play-Doh like a snake. And so I try to make sure everything's even as I'm rolling out. And of course, I'll want to roll to a point on the end, and keeping an eye on it. That purple end got a little thin, so a lot of times I'll switch back and forth, especially if I'm using two different colors. That way I can make them an even length. And so as I roll, I just make sure I'm rolling back and forth with my hand and putting even pressure down the length of it. I'm going to start rolling the pink out. As you can see, it's a pretty simple process. Now the magic will come at the end when you see me twist it. That's what makes it look like a unicorn horn. So I've got it about the length that I want, and I point at both ends, getting it ready to twist. So when I twist it, I'm going to pick it up, I'm going to fold it and let the two ends meet, and then I'm going to take the tip end and just twist it, being careful to push up with my right hand to bring that together. I'm doing most of the twisting with my left hand and doing a little bit of push with my right. Once I get it all twisted up, I'm going to make sure I like both ends. I'm going to make sure that's nice and twisted and pointy on the top. And then I'm going to also make sure I like the shape of it. I'm going to decide which side I like the best, because one side I'm going to make the front side and one side I'm going to make the back side. I just decide which side I like the best, and then I'm going to press it down to make a flat side on that end. That way you can attach it with either your tulip or your the double-sided medical tape, and then just straightening and squishing as I feel like I need to. I feel like that bottom half was a little bit too big, so you see I've squeezed it in a little bit and making sure it's straight. And with silk clay, you'll need to let it dry for at least 24 hours before you use it. And there you go. You got you a nice little unicorn horn ready to go and ready to use with your bling. So in my next video, I'll show you how to use it with